So I'm making banku and okra, and I'm using all these wonderful ingredients. So I've got my fish. It's all fish today, and it's dry fish, roasted fish. I've got my tuna. I've got my shrimps. I've got momwane, which is salted fish, and I'm putting everything together. So I'm just using my royal cutter to cut some onions into it, and that's it. And it's just banku made easy. This is an Ghanaian food, and usually it's tedious making banku. You have to do this and that and that and that, but here we don't need to do that because everything is made easy by the intelligent cooking system. So can you see my scotch bonnet, everything? I'm putting them together. You can add a little bit of water if everything is dry, but now because I've got some frozen stuff in there, I don't think I need the water. The water will just come out because our cookware allows us to do that. And this is the Innove intelligent cooking system. Just a little bit of heat is what I'm using right now, and you can see how much savings that you can make from cooking in our intelligent cooking system. When it whistles, you just close it. You just close the valve, and it's that simple. So I'm making my banku now, and I'm using our smallest cookware, and that's the 2 quart. And this my machine is going to help me. It's going to do a lot of things for me. It cuts your food preparation time into half. Imagine. And I've just packed my okra in there. Banku and okra is something else. So when you are cooking and you need to cut the okra, nobody, especially no child, likes that. But my intelligent cooking system is making the cooking easy, and my royal cutter is protecting my hands. It's safe and it's cutting it so quickly. Unbelievable. So see, no water. I'm just putting everything in, and I'm also going to add a little bit of tomatoes. People don't like that because they say it will stop the okra from going slimy. I don't like my okra slimy most of the time, so I can just put everything in, and also it doesn't even cut the slime in the royal intelligent cooking system. See my banku now. See it now. I don't need all the, stir bit. All I need is to shut it and then give it to whistle and turn it low and then open it and do it. It's so easy. Now see, my meat is cooking there. I don't need, it's not compulsory. This is optional. I'm just adding the red oil, the zomi, because it brings out the flavor. So the thing is, if your cooking needs this kind of flavor, you can add it. But if you are looking to add oil just to aid cooking, you don't need that. Now the thing is, look at my okra. Ooh, wow. Unbelievable. And see my greens. And guess what? You retain 73% more of the nutrients that you would have originally retained. This is amazing. So I've added everything, put everything together, just stirring it a little bit. Can you see my tuna? Now, this is, in fact, you need to be here to smell. The aroma is out of this world. Wow, this is good. I'm just shutting it again because I don't want oxidation to happen, to keep all the nutrients going. And look at my banku. It's literally ready. Can you believe it? It's ready in no time, and see how smooth and easy the banku looks. You just need to be here. It's a shame you're not here. I'm going to be enjoying it on your behalf. But guess what? This is amazing. Amazing. La la, wow. Yes, amazing. I love it. I love it. Innove is indeed an intelligent cooking system. Wow. Awesome.